Dear students, today we have to discuss about determination of wavelength of monochromatic light using Michelson's interferometer. Okay, here we have to determine the wavelength of a monochromatic light. So here the Michelson interferometer setup is there. Okay, here the monochromatic light will be produced from the source. Yes, you have to find out the wavelength of this monochromatic light using this Michelson interferometer. Here what you have to do, first you have to adjust the Michelson interferometer to obtain the bright fringes in the telescope, okay, or in the field of view. So the first you have to adjust the mirror M1 M2 equidistance from equidistance. At that time equidistance from the glass G1, so at that time the field view will be perfectly dark, there is no fringes will be formed here. So now the position of the mirror M1 is adjusted till particular bright fringes will be formed on the telescope. So generally you know that the mirror M1 is fitted with a 2 bars, okay, and it will be movable. So you have to adjust this mirror M1 to obtain the bright fringes on the telescope. So here the distance from the plate to the mirror M1, whatever we got, that one you have to take it as a D. Okay, so that distance is D. The distance D is equal to the lambda by 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತೋದು. So that D is equal to the lambda by 2, and also you have to multiply this lambda by 2 with M. Okay, and here that one. So M into lambda by 2 equal to D. Okay, so when the bright fringes will be formed, at that time the mirror displaced through a distance D, and that displacement you have to take it as D is equal to lambda by 2. M is you have to take it as a number of fringes on the counted, and you have to take the M and 2 on this side. At that time lambda equal to 2D divided by M. So here lambda is the wavelength, okay, and the distance D can be measured accurately up to 10 to the power minus 4 millimeter. Okay, distance D na agdi very small measurement ಮಾಡಬಹುದು up to the 10 to the power minus 4 millimeter with the help of micrometer screw, and the number of fringes M is counted. And this is about the determination of wavelength of monochromatic light. It will be asked for 5 marks. And next one concept is the uses of Michelson interferometer, last concept in this topic. So uses of Michelson interferometer, one uses already got the determination of wavelength of light, and next one is the determination of difference in wavelength of two waves. Okay, interference pattern ಯಾವಾಗ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅವಾಗ ಎರಡು two rays, okay, reflected and refracted rays are combined, they will be form the interference pattern. So ಅವು ಎರಡು rays ನ wavelength, ಆ ಎರಡು waves ದ wavelength difference ಎಷ್ಟು ಐತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಟರ್ಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ಏನು G1 G2 ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ದ ರಿಫ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಇಂಡೆಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ, ಎನ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಟು ಮೆಜರ್ ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಆ ಗ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ದ ಥಿಕ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ Michelson's interferometer. Now we have to solve one problem here. First you have to read this problem very carefully and understand it, then you have to take a solution. So here first, when a movable mirror in a Michelson interferometer is shifted by 5.89 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter if the wavelength of light is 5890 angstrom. Find the number of fringes formed ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ದ ಮೂವೇಬಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಕಲ್ಸನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ಫೆರೋಮೀಟರ್ is shifted. This movable mirror is shifted about 5.89 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. And if the wavelength of light, ಈ ಲೈಟ್ ದ wavelength ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ. ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೇಳೋರು, ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಏನೈತ್ರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ವೇವ್ಲೆಂತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2D ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಬೈ ಎಮ್. ನಮಗೇನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5.89. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಮೂವೇಬಲ್ ಮಿರರ್ shifted on the distance 5.89 into 10 to the power 5 meter. And next input or wavelength quota lambda equal to 5890 and wavelength angstrom the quota. You have to convert this in meter andre 5890 into 10 to the power minus 10 meter ಮೀಟರ್ದಾಗ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ 3 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 5.890 into 10 to the power minus 7 ಮೀಟರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ, ಎಮ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫ್ರಿಂಜಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಕೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಈ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊರಿ, ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾನ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೊಗೊರಿ. ಸೊ ಎಮ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2D divided by lambda. So substitute the value. So 2 into 5.89 into 10 to the power here minus 5 divided by 5.89 into 10 to the power minus 7. So it is a 1 will cancel 2 into 10 to the power ಇದು ಮ್ಯಾಲೆ ಹೋಯ್ತು minus 7 plus 7 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ minus 5 plus 7 is 2. So equal to 200 fringes will be formed. Next problem, in a Michelson's interferometer 400 fringes cross the field of view when one of the mirror is moved through the distance 0.118 meter. Calculate the wavelength of light. So mirror is moved, it means they given the D 0.118 millimeter, and next they given the number of fringes is 400. M equal to 400. Okay, 400 fringes. So distance they given 0.118 millimeter. You have to convert this in meter. At that time 0.118 meter da convert pandra 10⁻³ meter. So next we know that the expression of wavelength, that is lambda equal to 2D divided by m. Here 2 into D they given 0.118 into 10 to the power minus 3 divided by number of fringes is 400. So we calculated this one, we'll got the value 0.059 into 10 to the power minus 5 meter. Okay, and you have to move 2 points on this side. At that time 5.9 into 10 to the power minus 7 meter. We got the wavelength of monochromatic light. Okay, these are the problems on the Michelson's interferometer.